Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Turbo C C++ on Windows 11 using the updated 2026 method. Just follow the steps shown in this tutorial and you'll have Turbo C C++ installed in no time. Let's get started. Open your web browser and search for Studiopedia on Google. Open the official website. Click on Tutorials, then scroll down and select C Programming. Next, click Set Environment for C and download the latest Turbo C++ zip file. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file, then run the program and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. That's it. Turbo C C++ is now successfully installed on your Windows 11 PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.